Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin right now still sitting at 91,000, a little bit of a bull flag holding on. Volume is growing. People discussing in the chat, arguing it seems. Guys, keep the chat clean, keep it about crypto, about trading, about investments. I'm going to tell the moderators to start banning anyone that's talking about random stupid shit. 3.22 trillion, 573,000 viewers. Bitcoin price.live. Bitcoin is sideways chopping. Huge volume. Little bit of a dip right now, but pushed up. It keeps pushing up against 92k. You get a 60k bonus on Bybit if you can pause it and scan this QR code, or the link is in the description. It's the main exchange I use for trading. If you've been losing money or if you don't know which exchange is good, Bybit is my favorite. We're extreme greed right now. Everyone 90. Take profits. If you made life-changing money, sell some stuff, take some profits, change your life. Extreme fear was the time to go heavy, long, heavy leverage. Now is taking profit time. 54% dominance. Funding fee is positive, 91,500. Bit of a pump since this morning from 90k up to 91,500. We're going to jump into my account. We're going to look at the charts. I'm going to look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and whatever's my biggest holding. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. If you have any questions, let me know. And I'm also going to pick the winner of $500 on my X. I just said one of my community comment, I'm going to give $500 to someone to help out, to invest, to grow their wealth. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Tesla down in pre-market, up yesterday. World pulling back. Doge up 3%. I bought 50k of Doge. Solana 245. Amazing. Uni up 2%. Goat 2%. MCRT 1.7%. Google down in pre-market. Bitcoin 91,000. Let's check out my account first. And I wanted to show you something as well. So many people ask me, oh, how come your account isn't growing so much? I want to show you. I've been actually, like, for example, I gave a lot of withdraw. I gave a lot of prizes away. How do I see? Withdraw. Here you can see. Look how many withdrawals I've done on chain from this account. $1,000 today, $1,000 2 days ago, 3 days ago, $1,500, $20,000. That was to seed invest in OpenAI. 49,000 was for OpenAI. 1,000. This is just this month. So far for November, I took out 1,000, 2,000, 100, 49,000. So that's 52, 53, 6, 73, 74, 75. So about 75k I took out just this month, first 20 days of the month. So you can see that I'm actually withdrawing from this account as I'm trading and making massive gains. Also, I'm about to give away $500. I posted it here on my X. You can see if you follow me, 91,900 followers. And I posted it where did I post it? Oh, look at my views, by the way, on X. Crazy. In the last month, 3.4 million views and 160 and crazy numbers this last month. Doge, I bought 50k worth of Doge 1 day ago. And now that Doge is worth... how much? 51,600. So it's up 1,600 from 1 day ago when I posted that. I bought 50k. Now it's worth 51,600. Doge, Elon Musk just 5 hours ago posted the Doge father, and I posted this. Elon Musk talking about what Tesla's going to do. Amazing video what he explains. Always take the advice of someone who already succeeded in what you want. Giving one of my followers $500. Comment your experience with me. Make sure you use it to invest and grow your life and pass it on whenever you're a millionaire. 15,000 views, 336 comments. And you can see these are my last comments. People talking, good morning. I've been following you for crypto for 6 years. You can see it's so many messages, so many beautiful messages from all of you. And people talking about their journey. This guy got $100 USDT. You gave when I didn't have any money in Bybit, and after I won your quiz competition 4 months ago, then I follow you every trade. Now I have $300 3 times from his 100. Not bad, but you need to take the course. You should have made a lot more. You can see everyone commenting. I'm going to pick at the end of the video a winner for $500, which will be beautiful. Let's jump into Bitcoin. On the weekly, we got the cup and handle bull flag as I talked about, and all the Bitcoin and crypto indicators are fired by. So the Bitcoin indicator fired a buy. The Crypto Guru indicator, jamescryptoguru.com, the course, fired a buy back. Here you can see back in February at 20k, still a blue buy now. And the Bitcoin indicator both having buy signals right now. So let's go closer now into the daily. Daily, it's pushing up. We've got this bull flag, bullish pennant. Volume is still growing, but it does look like a little bit of a rising triangle. You see that? rising triangle. Usually these are bearish patterns that break down a little bit, but they can also break up and follow the trend. So, and I think Bitcoin will push up. The volume is a little bit dropping off, but it is holding here. And you can see it's within this triangle. However, on the bigger time frames, you can see that everything is big bullish setups. So we've got this big cup and handle, which takes us to 104. We've got the big bull flag, and we've got the broadening descending wedge. And all of these are broadening descending megaphone. Broadening megaphone. And these are all playing out. But it did already pump a lot. However, it does look like a little bit of a bullish pennant. If it breaks out the base of the triangle here, Bitcoin will go towards, usually it does it 70% of the move. So it actually, so say that's this move. So I would say 70% is there. So most likely it can do that push out on the 20th of November. So tomorrow, target would be 100,000 for Bitcoin, everyone. Where would I try and take a trade? I would take it from, I've got one safe trade at 80K. That's one of my safer trades where I've got a big amount of Bitcoin, like 5 Bitcoin trade to activate. And I would take one from this triangle to push out with a very tight stop loss. So I'll take it from this support, tight stop loss under the 89K support, and then the take profit is 100K. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Risk to reward is 9 times, opening at 90,300, stop loss 89,400. And take profit 100K. Risk to reward is 11 times, risking 891 to make 9,800 with no leverage. 10x leverage would be 98,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Those two trades. And the other one is down at 80K. You can see the red line and the stop loss. And you can see I'm already in these trades. If you want to trade like you're going to see my account under the video, go down below. You can sign up to Bybit, 60K bonus. When you meet their trading requirements, CoinW, 3K bonus, international exchange. Bybit is my favorite, and jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the... Bybit is my favorite exchange, 60K bonus when you trade with them. CoinW International, jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the exchanges. All the links are down below. My Bybit right now, you can see my Doge trade up a little bit. MCRT up a little bit. World up a little bit. I seed invested and I own a lot of these tokens. I haven't sold Uniswap up a lot, 6%, which is awesome. Ton up a little bit, 3%. My Bitcoin trade is $2,800 in the profits. My Ethereum trade $2,400 in the profits. World $13,900. Let's check out the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. Let's see what that is telling us. The Nasdaq is showing that we're going to keep pumping. Why? Because you can see here in the Nasdaq, if you were watching my videos last in 2023, we were buying the Nasdaq at 11K off the bottom, which was incredible. At 10K, we've doubled on the Nasdaq. So for Tesla, pretty much. But Tesla went even more. We did like 200% on Tesla. But what you can see, if I zoom out all the way on the Nasdaq, if we say the run-up started from the bottom of 2010, you can see down here on the Nasdaq, 2008, the global financial crisis. If we say that was the bottom and this was the first impulse, this was the first to second corrective wave, that means that this impulse that we're having on the Nasdaq from 2022 bottom, this is the second to third impulse wave of a Elliott wave count. So this is the biggest of the impulse waves. So that means the Nasdaq that has to move more than the first to the 0 to 1 impulse. So if that's a bigger move, that would put the Nasdaq, we're talking up at 30,000, 31,000 on the Nasdaq. So either we're about to enter the biggest golden age ever in business, or my Elliott wave count is wrong. Those are the two options. Let's go into total market cap of all cryptos, 3 trillion. On the monthly candle, this is the monthly candle. You can see that bull flag and cup and handle, just like Bitcoin. Massive ones. If we draw out that cup and handle, the base, as I teach you in the crypto master course, jamescryptoguru.com, the course is down below. You'll learn all of this. If we measure out this one, the target is 3.75 trillion, which we're close to. We're already at 3 trillion. Amazing, everyone. Congratulations who bought the bottom of the market with me last year. You can see all our, like when you look back, now you can see all my trades back at, remember my altcoins and the bottom of, this was brutal. Who was here with me from all of 2022, 2023? That was a brutal year. Just last 1.5 years ago, remember? We were trading my Elliott wave count from down here. Amazing. Remember that, everyone? Back in September of 2023, October, we bought the bottom as well, and we've been moving up. Amazing. Remember those trades down there? It's cool when you look at the technicals, like the Elliott wave count back then. Now we're 3 times on the market cap. But cup and handle, bull flag, and it's pumping out already. And it does look like a little bit of a rising wedge, actually. On the, but that's on the hourly. But a little bit of a rising wedge on the altcoins. You see, it's like a bull flag, but it's a little bit rising. You see? This is not the best pattern. Rising wedge. Bearish pattern rising wedges. Which is not so beautiful. They're bearish. They build pressure, and then they break down. Shit. This is the total market cap of all crypto. So if it does break down here, we're talking 2.6 trillion. 400 billion wiped off the market. Shit. What do I do? You're watching live, everyone. On the bigger time frames, we have these big patterns. Huge patterns, like really big bull out breakouts, 3.7 trillion. But on the smaller time frames, we have a drop to 2.69 trillion. Which we're talking for the crypto markets, if this plays out, you're talking a drop of 10%, 11% on everything. Shit. I'm not sure here. The volume is growing, but look at the volume on the monthly and the weekly. Massive volume spike the last two weeks. Shit. And it's at that 3 trillion resistance, all-time high resistance. Look at that. All-time high exactly it touched. Shit. Sorry for my language, because this will change everything. What do I do? Like, I have to, if this plays out, this rising wedge, all crypto drops, and we're talking a drop of 11%, it will be brutal to the altcoins. It's not a rising triangle, it's a rising wedge. I got to do my TA, everyone. 3K Bitcoin, thank you. 2.6K Ethereum, thank you. 13K loss on my world, thank you. Close my trades. Spot, I don't know. I'm just going based off this rising wedge. Maybe I'm wrong. Sold my world. Sold my uni up 6%, which is beautiful. Sold my ton up 3%, also beautiful. Sell my Doge. Yep, sell my Doge. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't play out. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, it's almost moving all into cash. I'm going to keep my MCRT because it didn't pump. But you have to do your own due diligence, everyone. It's closing out. I've still got my uni to close out, my Doge to close out, my ton to close out. Doge, ton. They're not executing. Okay, let's manually close them out. So Doge 38,417. So it's a little bit of, let's sell it here. Okay, that closed out. Let's do ton 602. So if I sell it all at this price, it'll be 51K. If I sell it at this price, it'll be 51,385. So it's like $20 if I sell it at the current earlier. Sell ton. I like to just close it quicker. Okay, I won't keep you guys waiting for the... So I'm going to close out my ton now. And then I'm going to close out my uni. I've got 22 uni. Oh, it almost closed all my uni. I don't know if this is a good idea. It's just based off the technicals, that little pattern. I don't like selling on little pattern. I don't really like sell. Tony's closing out now. So I'm going to be almost all in cash. Still got that ton to close out. And then the rest is all cash. My trades are closed out. My leverage trade, my futures trade on Bitcoin and them closed out. My world trade was positive. My Bitcoin trade was positive. My world trade was a loss. Okay, now where am I going to set buy orders? This video is going to be longer now, everyone. So, okay, if we assume if this plays out, we're going to have a drop of 11 cents to 2.69 trillion. So that will be crazy drops on altcoins. I hope I'm wrong, even though now I'm in cash. So, okay, so altcoin. So Bitcoin, I can open a trade. So I'm going to be more defensive with my trades. I'm going to go back to this 80K trade. I won't open the trade. I'll cancel this trade. I set my trade at 80K. So on Bitcoin, on my futures trade, 80,000. And I'm going to put 10 Bitcoin. 80,000, 10 Bitcoin. Will cost me 40K. Let's do 5 Bitcoin and then 5 Bitcoin. At 80K, 5 Bitcoin. That trade is set. Now my spots for ton. Let's go for spot for ton. $5.50. Looks like it's breaking out. I don't see any bearish, but okay, just I have to assume my TA is correct. So 11% drop on ton would be here. 11%. So we're talking $5. But the real support is $4.50. So 50K ton at $4.50. Right? $4.50 is the major support. Yeah. $4.50, but it could easily drop. If Bitcoin drops, there's no major support all the way down to $4. If there's a big drop, okay, let's do $4.50. Let's do 25,000 at $4.50, and then at $3.90, another 25,000. So those spot buys are set for ton. Now let's do uni. BNB looks like it's bull flagging, but see, but it could easily have a bull flag, a pullback. Same, could have a pullback. BNB to major support wouldn't drop much, but 540. I mean, it was 540 at the beginning of November. 545 would be buying, but it is a big bull flag, and it broke out already. This will be detrimental to the altcoins if this plays out like what I'm saying. 2.3 inverse head and shoulders on world, but I have to assume that my TA on that crypto market cap is correct. 11% drop would put us at $2.1, but we can see that the major support is this yellow trend line, so that would put us at, I would say here, $1.60 on world. So let's buy 50K of world at $1.60. $1.60. $1.60, 50,000. Okay, that's done. Now let's do, so I got my orders for ton and world. And now I want to do uni. And I want to do Doge. Uni's pumping out like crazy already. And it retested and bounced. This is not the time to sell uni, in my opinion. It's like broke out of this. But okay, say 11% pullback. It's not that much of a pullback for uni. Like it moved up 11% in the last 2 days, you know what I mean? Like there, 11% would be $8.50. But if it retests major support, I would say major support would be here, $7.20. So uni, $7.20. But it's pumping. 50,000. $50,000 worth of uni at $7.20. Confirm. My tons didn't sell yet, but they're close to selling. So then I've got my ton buys, my uni buys, world, ton, uni, and I wanted to do Doge. I just bought Doge yesterday. I made 1,000 whatever on what I just bought and sold, and it did pump a little bit. But if this is playing out like it's saying that we can have a pullback, major support on Doge to pull back to would be 33 cents. But it's breaking out of this bull flag. This is a descending triangle, you see? Descending triangle, bullish pennant. But say 33 cents. Let's do 33 cents for Doge. Doge, 33 cents. 33 cents, and let's do 50,000. 50,000. So all my orders are set, and my ton is close to activating. I'm almost all cash. It's very close to activating my ton cells. So I'm almost all cash, everyone. and I've got my buy orders down. I closed my trades 8:05. And now let's pick the winner. So, and thank you. Look how many comments I got in the last, look at this, like 3 minutes, 13 minutes, 19 minutes, like so many comments today. This is the last hour. Thank you all so much for all the comments. I try to read them all and answer as many as I can. Let's pick a, I'll pick a winner from the giveaway. So $500 to one of you. I'm gonna do it by which is the most liked. So, okay, where is it? $500, $500. 1 second. 500. I'm trying to find the post. Where is it? Maybe it was earlier. Wow, look how much I. Okay, wait. Weird, I can't see it. $500. Sorry guys, I don't know what. Thank you for that trade, by the way. I asked you guys, should I open the Bitcoin trade? 71% of you said yes, and that made that 2,000. Oh, okay, here. Okay, so who got the most likes? He did. I started my crypto journey 2021, scammed a few times, naive. Hype and Twitter account, cool, check. Okay, let's do. Wow, this guy's been messaging me a lot. I could really use them. Good morning, Guru. I could really use them. I've been in crypto for over 6 years. In the last month, I lost all my capital, plus 100K. Bought in March. Value was 2 times leverage. Was liquidated in June. My father died of cancer, leaving behind large loans. Mom got depressed. I have a little sister who's 9 years old. I've been looking for a job for more than 3 months, but I can't find it. They don't want to hire me because I'm deaf and I only have a son and family. Don't know what to do. What do you think? He had one of the most likes. This one, I don't know. I think it's this one I like more. Should we give it to him? You guys voted the most, actually. Like, he had 5 retweets and 10 likes, 138 views. I feel lucky that I don't need the money at the moment, but I truly hope it goes to someone who can use it to create something meaningful in life. Love you, James. Love you too, Jesse. Thank you so much. I lost a ton of... So, okay, everyone, thank you all for the messages. You guys liked this one the most. Congratulations. $500. I hope it goes well to help your family. Make sure you invest it. My condition was of this post, it was giving one of my followers $500. Comment your experience with me. Make sure you use it to invest and grow your life and pass it on when you're a millionaire. So I'm going to DM you with the code. Congratulations. And I hope I hope the money helps you and your family a lot. Everyone join us in the Telegram. Right now, the Telegram, everyone's discussing. There's 758 of you online. So who won? I just picked him now. Great presentation. There will be race of nations to print money. Michael Saylor talking about MicroStrategy, etc. Apparently, Michael Saylor also bought like a few billion of Bitcoin over the weekend, but no major movement, which was weird. So you can join him in the conversation. Very long video. Thank you all for watching. Big congratulations to you on the $500. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Bitcoin holding. My trades are set. Let's see if I'm right or if it's wrong. My TA, but right now I'm mainly in cash. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.